This is my peaches baked in fig leaves with some fig leaf oil and fig leaf syrup. And again, all the recipes are on my page. So all you need to do is lay some baking parchment down, put a fig leaf down on top of that. Make sure you take the stalk off because it's got the bitter sort of milky sap in there. Then add some fig leaf syrup in the cavities where the stone was on the peach, some fig leaf oil. I've got some lemon verbena flowers, but thyme flowers would be nice, or just leave it out. Another fig leaf on top, and then wrap the parcel up like a pasty. Try and keep it as airtight as you can so it steams nicely in the oven. And I cooked it at 200 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until the peaches are tender, and you'll start to smell it, that lovely fragrance from the lemon verbena, but more importantly, the fig leaves. It was incredible, and look how tender they are. Give it a little baste with the cooking juices, glaze them up, and I did peel the skin off of this one, but I didn't bother with the other ones. And then to serve, just put a peach half in the bowl, put some of the cooking juices back over the top, and then I've got some toasted pine nuts that I sprinkled over, a little bit more of the fig leaf oil, and a touch more of the fig leaf syrup. But you could just use a bit of honey or even maple syrup if you didn't have the fig leaf syrup, or just make some. But look at that, a bit of coconut yogurt over the top. Creme fraiche would work well, but it was so tasty. And you can try this with different stone fruits. Apricots would work nicely, or a good old English plum when they're finally in season.